Tucked along the Kona Coast, Kukio Beach offers a serene escape just north of Kukio Point. This secluded stretch of white sand, framed by coconut palms and lava rocks, sits 18 miles from Kailua Kona, accessible through the Four Seasons Hawalala Resort. Morning is the best time to visit. Calm waters invite paddleboarding, kayaking, and canoeing. While swimming and snorkeling aren't ideal due to rocky shores and murky water, Kukio Beach is a prime spot for spotting Hawaiian green sea turtles basking in the sun. Facilities include restrooms, showers, and paved walkways leading to the beach. Bring water, snacks, and reef-safe sunscreen as shade is limited. Water shoes are recommended for navigating the rocky terrain. Kukio Beach is part of the historic Alakahakai Trail, offering glimpses into Hawaii's past through ancient fish ponds and dwellings. The beach connects to Kukio Point Beach Park, home to a calm lagoon, perfect for families. Whether you're here to paddle, catch a sunset, or watch for sea turtles, Kukio Beach blends natural beauty with Hawaiian history.